in terms of the most number of votes in the midterm elections. Accusations of improper substitution, overage nominees, and procedural violations have long haunted the group, culminating in the COMELEC's Second Division's ruling of cancellation by a vote of 2-1. In the face of these setbacks, can its leader, Ronald Cardema, defend its existence and mandate from the electorate? With us this morning is the chairman of the Duterte Youth Party List and former chairperson of the National Youth Commission, Ronald Cardema. Good morning, Chairman Ronald.
Good morning po, Attorney.
So, Chairman Ronald, let's start with the decision of the COMELEC Second Division. Ano po ba yung naging reaction ninyo nung nalaman yung na-cancelan nila yung registration ng Duterte Youth Party List?
Sa totoo po, hindi naman tayo nagulat. Kasi ino-hold nga nila yung proclamation na they are mandated to proclaim us noong May 19. Pero ino-hold nila kasi daw meron tayong pending case. Ang sabi nga natin sa Supreme Court, nag-petition tayo, paano nangyari na i-hold tayo because of a pending case noong 2019? Pero yung mga kasamahan naman nating party list at senatorial candidate na merong pending cases, hindi naman in-hold. So, doon nahalata naman natin na pinupolitika tayo ni COMELEC.
Yung mga ibang party list na sinabi mong meron ding pending cases pero hindi hinold yung proclamation, can you give us examples?
For example, si Kabataan Party List, yung nag-file against us. Si Kabataan Party List has a pending terrorism case sa COMELEC. Ang nag-file, Office of the Solicitor General, saka Government of the Republic of the Philippines na nag-file noong 2019 at 2021. Meron rin pending terrorism case si Gabriela Party List. Meron namang si ACT Teachers, meron rin kasi nga na-convict yung kanilang congresswoman. Meron na, for example, yung kay Congresswoman-elect De Lima, meron naman siyang case rin. Kasi nga, meron pa siyang pending dito sa CA about drugs. Kay Senator-elect Tulfo, he was proclaimed kahit na pending yung case niya sa citizenship. And all the others doon na merong mga mas serious na pending cases like plunder and corruption. So sabi natin, kung sinasabi ni COMELEC noong May 2019, hindi muna ipoproklama ang Duterte Youth kasi daw very serious daw yung case. Sabi ko, paano nangyari yun? Ang dami doon mas serious yung case. Hindi pinroklaman nyo naman.
So ano po yung magiging hakbang ninyo? Kasi in this COMELEC Second Division, you can file a motion for reconsideration with the